Thank you.
You don't want that, right?
No, I'm just saying there's no
Huh?
liquid.
No what?
The liquid, it's gonna melt the
No,
ice,
you have to. You mix it.
and then it melts the ice, right?
You have to mix it like that. Then it will become liquid.
Eventually. That's when you're not thirsty
This
to
is
get
magic.
I can't watch. No water.
No, I don't.
This is talong.
Eggplant.
How is it?
And it's cold. There's nothing I can
So get
say wrong about.
and long.
It tastes like biting into it. Very fresh. We're going to get this one.
It will take forever. No, because I told them don't put too much. The sweet, the brown thing is sweet, so I said don't. If they put too much, it's up to here.
Slowly it's starting to, it's coming together.
Huh? You like the noodles?
Yeah, the noodles are good. But your soup was and you want chicken?
Yeah, maybe later. Yeah, maybe later.
I told you it's guava.
But it doesn't taste nothing like it.
You want
No,
some?
I don't. It doesn't go with it.
I know, that's good and the chicken.
Yeah, the rice doesn't
That
go
goes
with it.
together. The rice goes with the soup.
Your soup.
It's good
If
with
I
rice.
ever come to this place, I would get the soup. Even though obviously it has fish, but I love that strong flavor. Huh?
That's not angel hair.
In the
What's angel
US,
hair?
in the US, it's rice noodles.
Yeah, right.
That's glass noodles.
Like when you're at Chinese food, you could get regular noodle or the rice noodle. Are you gonna try the chicken? That's the best.
You want to try this?
No. What is it? What animal?
Beef
Oh.
in a peanut sauce.
Huh? With our FM band.
Ready, smile.
Oh, right from the side.
Thank you. Busog. Say busog. Busog.
Buso.
Busog means full.
I love po.
Huh?
I love buso.
Busog na busog.
That's good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. You're just a little far in the
I
picture.
know, right? I think the glass is strong. Because look,
It's a design.